Hello, this is Don Martin. I'm with the Reasonable Realtor, stopping in with you again this morning to invite you to please check our most recent article. There are 5 tips that I thought of right off if it's time to sell your house in Knoxville. Knoxville, Tennessee, a lot of houses. Every once in a while, somebody needs to sell their house, move in Knoxville, move out of Knoxville, whatever the reason. It occurred to me that there are 5 tips that you may or may not know, but you do need to know before you start undertaking to selling your own house and trying to save that commission. So this is just a quick article, quick read. 5 items that you need to know about before you try to sell your own house in Knoxville, Tennessee. If you get an opportunity, do go to the website, thereasonablerealtor.com. Look at the article, read the article. If you get a chance, subscribe here to this website. I've got the link down below that you need to click on to get to the article. If you get a chance, like the article, like this YouTube video, subscribe to the article, subscribe to this YouTube channel. All of the above, make a comment either place, and I will respond to you. Have a great weekend. Thanks.